So, watching the weather, meteorologist Meredith Garofalo here at the desk with us. My cold brew consumption has gone up the past couple of days. Usually I'm a hot coffee guy, but you just can't handle that right now.
You know, you can make a pot, have that hot cup of coffee, and then just make the rest of the pot into a cold brew. You put it in the fridge, a little bit of splash of your favorite creamer or not creamer, and you got cold brew for 3 days after.
Which is great. The heat's not going anywhere, it doesn't look like.
No, it's stuck here. We've got this big bubble over us, but we're going to have a little bit of a break in that bubble, as I'll show you with some chances of showers and thunderstorms in our forecast. Could see some pop up as early as this afternoon, but more isolated. Better chances will be tomorrow, but the extreme heat continues for us this week. And it's mainly going to be in the afternoon we have to worry, but I'm sure, as you know right now, just waking up, temperatures are already in the 70s for many of us. And as we peek into the afternoon, you can see that feels like really getting up into that triple-digit mark, and we stay there. You can see for several hours starting as early as noon. Current temperatures, as I mentioned, we've got 70s across the boards. Because we are in the city, we do have that urban island heating effect, or we have that heat kind of trapped here for us in Columbus. So that's why we are in the upper 70s. Everybody else, though, in the 60s and 70s, and our feels like, as a result, definitely up and continuing to climb as we move forward into the afternoon. But for the next 6 hours, you can see by 11 a.m. we are already going into the 90s. That's just the air temperature. The feels like will start to get up into the upper 90s to close to 100 degrees. And because we are going to see the triple-digit feels like, is why we are under a heat advisory here across Columbus. Some of the hotter spots will be far northwestern and far southeastern Ohio. But just remember, as you're taking your pets out and your furry friends, the concrete gets hot really fast, and if our air temperature is at 95, asphalt temperature is 155 as well. So just remember that for your kids. Maybe you want to go to the splash park. You just want to make sure you're protecting your feet as well as for the kids. And for golf, I'm going to keep it fair the next 3 days because it is going to be really, really hot. And with those chances of storms as well, we're going to have to definitely keep an eye on the sky also. So let me show you the hour-by-hour forecast as we go in the day today. Again, very minimal chances, but I wouldn't be surprised if we have a few stray showers that try to develop as we go into the dinner hour. A little bit better chance later tonight, but the best chance for showers and storm actually going to be as we go overnight. You can see as we move into Wednesday morning, no problems here, but by the early afternoon, we could start to see some storms fire up. Some of them could be on the stronger side. We just have all that energy out there ready to fire up. So could have some gusty winds, some small hail with some of the stronger storms that develop. And then you can see those chances linger into the afternoon and early evening. But we're staying in the very humid category for the next 4 days. So seriously, these popsicles are going bye-bye for us as we have those dew points in the 70s. And again, the air temperature at 97 degrees. But you can see with the extended forecast, a few more days of the weather impact alert days. Thursday, we get a little bit of relief from the rain expected tomorrow, but Friday, I put another one on the board for us. We really don't start to see that temperature trend back down until we get into the end of the weekend.